Well, everyone likes to provide value to their company, but not everyone can say that they contributed over $300 million in value creation through improvement projects during their very first job. Will our next honoree, Sienna Helfrich, please join me? So Sienna earned her Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering in 2014 and then joined Dow as a production engineer. Her work immediately impacted the environmental health and safety team and led to additional responsibilities and promotions in the company. In addition to contributing to the company's success and improving safety performance, Sienna has worked to improve culture by leading the Women's Innovation Network to promote diversity and inclusion. She has also been a wonderful mentor for Penn State students, connecting them to opportunities at Dow and providing leadership and engagement activities. Nominators emphasized that Sienna is a motivated, intelligent, and passionate individual, and that she displays a rare combination of excellence and professionalism, interpersonal skills, initiative, and positive attitude. That's quite a combination. Congratulations, Sienna.
Thank you, everyone, for being here tonight. Thank you, President Barron, Dean Schwartz from the College of Engineering, all of my nominators from the Penn State Engineering Alumni Society and the Penn State Chemical Engineering Alumni Society, and the Penn State Alumni Association as a whole for putting this, this group together and being able to share this with future Penn State graduates. When I was thinking about the awards tonight, it really resonated with me about how did I get here? And thinking back over, the individuals and the groups that have really helped me and led me on this journey, I wanted to just share briefly some thanks from me and some thoughts on why they had such a profound impact. First, I'd like to thank my mom. She's here in the audience tonight, and she was my first representation of female leadership, and she continues to be the most profound female leader that I know. My dad is here in the audience as well. He has always instilled in me the positive community influence and the power and the impact that has, no matter whether you continue to live in Pennsylvania or, like me, have moved around across the Gulf Coast. One of his famous sayings is that he is always rowing. He is always part of the constant movement and the constant force of good in that direction. I'd like to thank my sister, Devin, who's also here in the audience. Throughout growing up, she has shown me and taught me many times that emotional intelligence and empathy truly is a strength, especially in leadership. To my husband, Nathan, who is the truest and purest example of a nurturer that I have ever come across, and who I have benefited from over the 6 years that we have been married, and he has been a true force in both my career and my life since I've known him. I want to thank every Girl Scout leader, every volunteer, and every individual that has been a part of my upbringing through Girl Scouting. They have taught me to always be prepared, no matter what I'm doing, and to always leave a place, whether it's a campsite or work group, better than I found it. I'd like to thank Cheryl Knobloch, the director of the Women in Engineering program, who's also in the audience tonight. She was the reason that I came to Penn State. One spring during the visit to SWE Stayover, Cheryl was there with a multitude of successful women engineers. And as a senior in high school, I couldn't imagine being a successful women engineer until I saw her and the amazing work that she does. The tools that she has put in my toolbox over the course of my Penn State career will be with me forever. And it's some of the reasons that I am and I've gotten to the place that I am today. I'd like to thank the entirety of the Penn State community for instilling in me the power of inclusion, equity, and diversity. I continue that in my pursuits today, and that will never leave me. I'd like to thank my mentors in the Alumni Association of both Chemical Engineering and the College of Engineering. They have helped me develop my skills in influential leadership before I ever had a true leadership position at work. To my Dow family, my work family, and the PSU alumni network at Dow, they inspire me, they connect me, and they help ground me in the work that I do. So to any girl that is out there thinking, wondering if they can do what they aspire to be, surround yourself with the people, the tools, the habits, and support to be resilient on the tough days and to thrive on the good days. You can do it. Thank you.